Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made my Sealed with a Kiss Valentine wall hanger. What you'll need from the Dollar Tree is one of these unpainted wooden hearts, some of the wooden unpainted letters, towering tumble blocks, a napkin, decorative napkin or scrapbook paper, some Mod Podge and a sponge brush, sandpaper or sanding block, paint that will complement your paper or napkin, wood glue, cling wrap or saran wrap, some pop dot adhesives, ribbon of your choice, and some wire to make a hanger. The first thing I did was I removed the string and I gave the heart a good coverage of Mod Podge, making sure that the edges were also very wet with glue so that the napkin would stay. Then I unfolded the napkin. It was 3 parts, so I just used the top portion. And I noticed because it was had words on it, it would not cover completely. So I just continued on with some saran wrap on top of the napkin to smooth out the wrinkles. Then and this is what it looked like once it was there, and I took another piece of the napkin and I just pieced in that bottom corner portion with some more of the napkin, again with some Mod Podge, but this time I just dabbed it onto the napkin so I wouldn't rip the napkin, and then I just placed it over, and then with some more saran wrap I smoothed it all down. I waited for the heart to be completely dry, and with my sanding block, I sanded off all the excess napkin. And then I took some more Mod Podge, and I learned the hard way that just dab the Mod Podge on. Don't brush it on. And here you can see the difference between where I brushed and dabbed, because you can rip the napkin and you don't want to do that. So then I put another piece of saran wrap on the top, and I use that to help smooth it out all the wrinkles, and took the saran wrap off, and that's what it looked like. Then I took some Jenga blocks and I glued 2 of them together, and then I glued 4 of them together and let them dry. And then I painted with white chalk paint just the letters SWAK. And when the Jenga blocks were dry, I also painted them with the same color I used for the letters. And when they were dry with wood glue, I glued them to my heart. And I made 2 little shelves. And then I took my letters and I put some pop dots on the back, and I placed them like they're standing on the shelf, but they're actually attached to the heart with the pop dots. And then I had to decide what I was going to put on the bottom shelf, and I had this little heart envelope, and that would be good with Sealed with a Kiss. And then I also felted these a set of lips, and that would have fit, but it was too red. So then I thought, well, I'll just make a paper envelope, and I'll put that as my background. And I just had to make it fit in the space that I had, so it looked like that. But in the end, I decided that I'll just use my lips in a tier tray, and this is my completed project. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment. If you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. And as always, Quarantino will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.